Hey, my baby. It is Thanksgiving Day, 2002. This is my fiance.
I thought we'd have our, by the time we have our cleanup here, what's the matter, another hair? Oh, brother, you're shedding.
Mommy. Mommy. Meow.
Because your hair is all down, maybe, huh? What? Oh, you're taking pictures?
It's Thanksgiving, so hello.
Hello? Should have had that out before when the table was pretty. Now it's all
Look,
messy.
it's beautiful.
Now he's got
Especially this right here. Yummy.
Oh, got a bone in me.
Jeff, no.
Oh. Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
What Thanksgiving is it? 2002.
Yes.
Why are you videotaping this?
We're trying to get Dad. You should have gotten Dad working hard in the kitchen. Look at Daddy.
No, that's okay.
No, but we got us working hard, devouring our food. Alright.
I got so many things I want to.
Alright.
Lily. Oh, little Lily. Hi, Lily. Lily poo, Lily poo. This is our little girl, Lily. She is going on 5 months. This is our other guy, Ty. Ty. He doesn't quite know his name. But he is a meaty one. And this is our other guy, Heath. Heath. You know, they're cats. They have minds of their own. But anyways, here's our lovely apartment, of which it's a little messy right now. Excuse us for that. But we are moving out in less than 2 weeks into our brand new house, which you will see shortly. And today is September 18th, 2004. Quite a jump from the last video you just came from, so apologize for the lapse in video time there. Here's our view. And here's a picture of our doggy again in a humble state. She's usually in a crack, so this is a rarity here to get her like this. So we try to enjoy those times as much as possible. Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi. But anywho, just thought I'd give one last look, sayonara to the old apartment, and looking forward to the new house. So we'll see you out there on the site in a couple seconds. Alright? Bye. Well, welcome back. This is our new house, almost complete. Less than a week or so away from being done. I'll give you the quick tour here before we have the official finished tour. This is kind of the outside. They haven't put the tiles on the roof yet, but soon to be. This is a shot of the mountains. Sorry about that with the dumpster in the way. Superstition Mountains there. And I know the fence is kind of in the way, but there's usually mountains over there. So just kind of walk around, give you a little tour here. Side of the house. This is kind of our surrounding little neighborhood. About to put the fence in here, probably Monday. Be a pretty good sized yard. Not huge, but adequate for our place in life here. So we're very blessed to have what we have here, and very grateful the Lord opened up opportunities for us to have this. So this is something that is well beyond what I think I would have had for my first house, and I'm just very grateful to have. There's a whole lot of dirt there. Yep. And here's the other fence. Going down that way. Give you a little idea of what our view is. This is it right here. That's facing east, and that is facing north. So, alright, we're just gonna walk around the side of the house right here toward the front. Down toward the street there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go inside the house now and just kind of see where it's at. This is our project last weekend. Focus. Painting the wall here. It ain't perfect, but it'll work. Okay, this camera's having some trouble. Yeah, looking out of the garage. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside now. Ooh, laminate. Ah. Well, I think we picked out the right stuff. My wife should be pleased. Kind of get a look at our walls, and a little bare and barren at the moment, but soon have a lot of life. There's the light we're going to get rid of and put some recessed lighting in. Oh, nobody home. This camera doesn't do well in low light, so I'm not going to really be able to go in there, but I think you guys get the right idea. Alright, going up the stairs. Looking out down the street. Hello. Here is the laundry room. This is the spare bathroom.
bedroom with a view. Yeah, not bad. Here's looking out north. That's Four Peaks right there. Okay, getting a look at the other room here. It'll do, Captain. It'll do. And making our way to the master bedroom. Howdy, neighbor. Yeah, there's a neighbor. Almost like you reach out and touch someone. Come on, camera. I think this camera's on its last legs. Well, fortunately, I guess hopefully that window shouldn't be too much of a peering in. But anyways, this is their bedroom. And this is the dark cave of the bathroom. I don't know if this camera will do it, but this kind of gives you a little idea of our cultured marble countertops, with our maple cabinets, and our closet in there. This is our little boys' room here. That's where you have to go. You have to try to make it down that little hole right there. You have to have some practice with that. Well, anyways, this gives you a quick and mostly complete little tour of our humble place. We're so blessed to have, and so grateful to live in, and definitely a step up from our apartment living. But we give our thanks and our blessings to the great Lord who has provided this for us and opened up the doors. This is definitely a true miracle and blessing. So thank you, God. Anyways, that's about it. This is my wife surprising me. I'm wondering who's honking at me to move my car or something. Hi, Sean. That's Sean.
Hi. Good job.
You guys having fun?
Yeah, we just thought we'd drive by and see.
Yeah, I bought a vacuum.
Huh?
I bought a vacuum.
Oh, you did? What kind?
It's a Bissell.
Is that good or bad?
It's good. It was on sale.
How much?
$89.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, baby.
Yeah, just getting pictures of the old house. Come on, dude. Yeep. Did it?
girl, Diddy. Good girl. Good girl, sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Ty. Here's Ty eating the dog food. Tastes good, dog. Ty. Ty. Or he. Now it's recording.
Daddy's the big monster.
The claw.
Get him, Lily, get him. Does it matter that there's like gunk on the lens?
No.
Here, let me get it. Get him, Lily, get him. Get him, buddy. Oh, get him, buddy. Hi, buddy. Where is she? I can't even see her in the lens. Where is she going?
You need to zoom in and zoom out, dude.
Why?
Because you need close-ups.
Is that baby girl? I know this is sad, but she's our first child. Lily. Lily. Where is it? I'm really not good at working this camera, am I? Oh. Do the scaredy cat thing with her, where she gets scared of you. I'm gonna fall off the stairs. Where is she?
Safe place? Is that a safe place?
Get him, Lily.
You all done? You all done? You all done? You all done?
No, where you like come around corners and stuff.
Well, she's letting play that now.
Why?
I'll try.
Hold on, let me get over here. Okay, go. Where is she? I can't see. She's running over to me for safety. Billy. Oh, what is Daddy doing? What is he doing? I can't see. I'm not capturing this.
You're not very good, are you?
Well, I'm not coordinated enough for that. Lily, go. No, Lily, you can't come to me for safety every time. I'm trying to get her out. Get him, Lily. Lily, get him. Ah, she's going on my lap. Lily. I'm mommy, the safe place. I am the safe haven. Lily, go get him. Lily, go get him. Lily, go get him. Go get him, Lily. Go get him. Go, Lily. Get him, Lily. Where is he? Lily, where is he? Lily. Hi. 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 You wanna play? Are you so rambunctious every time we're not filming, but anytime we actually want you to be rambunctious, you're not? It's your evil plan, isn't it? You'll stink. Yeah, Daddy? Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at.
She's like, I'm done.
Hi, baby girl. Oh.
Hey, get out of there.
Say it, mommy. Baby. I know, it's sad. It's very, very sad. But it is, huh?
She keeps looking over here like, what's going on?
What is that? Look at it. Lily.
Hold on.
She doesn't want to go. Lily, look at it. It's okay. It's okay, Lily.
She doesn't like the red dot.
She's Mama's girl. Mommy's girl, huh? Daddy, get it. And she won't even look at it. Come here. Come here. Lily, no, baby girl. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Lily. Lily, it's okay, baby girl. It's okay. It's just a camera.
She's like, I don't like it. It's black like
Did
me.
you notice how she was okay with it when it was in my arms?
I know. I didn't traumatize her or anything.
Why is she scared of things when you have it? She thinks you're gonna like.
I don't know.
Look at her, she's terrified. She's terrified. Lily, it's okay. You need to calm it down, homegirl. Calm it down.
Simmer down, child. Simmer down.
Simmer down! Simmer down. Nah! Did you see that SNL skit with Garth Brooks?
Nope, I did not.
Alright, then that was wasted.
Tell me about it.
Who was it? I don't know, they were doing a skit where it was this girl behind the counter at a department store. Get it.
Ty, you look like a monster cat from this position.
What a big goodie.
Hi.
Lily, come here.
Fatty.
Lily, come
Hey,
here.
Fatty.
Lily, come here. Come here. Jalen, look.
What's she doing?
She crawls over my neck. Lily, come here. Come here. Come here.
It's like using it as a jungle gym.
She is. She's crawling over my neck. She's like going through my hair earlier. But anyways, no, this girl was a clerk and she was returning things and she was reacting to people like they were already getting mad at her and she kept saying, "Simmer down now."
Simmer down, Chad. Simmer down.
And then she brought out a pack of noun laters and she goes, "Simmer down." And then she covered up the later part of the noun laters and she's all, "Nah." Anyways, it was hilarious.
Lily. Lily, this is me speaking. I am your father. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
Tell her, good girl. Make her feel
Good
comfortable.
girl, Lily. Good girl.